Hello garden friends, and welcome to my channel DK's Garden Oasis. For those that don't know me, I'm Debbie. I'm a master gardener and butterfly raising hobbyist. In this video I will be sharing the farmers market that I had this past Friday and Saturday. I gave away free plant starts, some vegetables, tomatoes and peppers, also some artichokes and Brussels sprouts, some flowers, and some herbs. I still had some leftovers, and due to the overwhelming response that I had this past weekend, I am going to be doing one more day this coming Saturday to give away the rest of my plant starts. I also wanted to thank my subscribers. In the past week or so, I've gotten quite a few new subscribers, so welcome to my channel. And if there's anything that you would like to learn about gardening, leave it in the comments below this video, and I will be sure to try to do that video in the future. I really appreciate the support. Thank you. My goal in my first video, which by the way was a little rough as it was the first time that I was speaking in front of a camera with no one on the other side, was to share my passion, educate, and bring you along to some beautiful gardens and nature preserves. My other goal was to share with the community, and so a couple months ago I planted a bunch of seeds, and now I'm giving away those plant starts to the community. Later on in the season, I hope to have a harvest of my vegetables, herbs, and flowers. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for those future videos. Now I'll share that first farmers market that I had over this weekend. Enjoy.
It's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. Just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. It never ends, it's being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. Just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you.
I hope you enjoyed seeing my first farmers market, so give it a like and comment below if you stop by and visit it. In my next couple of videos, I will be talking about butterflies, both the black swallowtail and the monarchs. The black swallowtails, I had 13 that overwintered, and all of them did emerge. And a couple weeks ago, I did see a female laying eggs on my veggie pod, and I'll link that video that I planted in that veggie pod. I saw the female laying the eggs, and now they're about a week old, and I will take you along on that process of raising those black swallowtails. And in the following videos, I will be showing you how to raise, in the future, tag monarchs. I have family visiting over the next week and Father's Day, so I'm going to take a little break and visit with family. I'll be back in the next week to talk about the black swallowtails and the monarchs that will be coming to our area very soon. So stay tuned to those butterfly videos. Again, I want to thank everyone that came out and support my channel. I really do appreciate it. Now I'd like to share a beautiful quote. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. Bye-bye.